What if I told you that one of the most powerful ideas in human history is nothing? Literally, nothing. Not a machine, not a weapon, not a chemical formula, just a simple circular symbol 0. Without it, you wouldn't be watching this video. There'd be no computers, no calculus, no space missions. So, how did nothing become everything? Welcome to How a Single Idea Changed the World, a series where we explore game-changing concepts that reshaped civilization. In this episode, we dive into the story of zero, the idea that transformed mathematics, technology, and the very way we think. Before zero, math was messy. Civilizations like the Egyptians and Romans had number systems, but no placeholder for nothing. Try doing long division in Roman numerals. Actually, don't. You might rage quit math forever. Without zero, there was no way to express the absence of value. You couldn't easily tell the difference between 1, 10, or 100 without some guesswork. So where did zero come from? The earliest known use of a placeholder 0 appears in ancient Babylonia, over 4,000 years ago, but only as a space, not a number. It wasn't until the ancient Indians, around the 5th century CE, that 0 became a number in its own right. Brahmagupta was the first to define 0 as a number with its own rules. He wrote about how 0 behaves in addition, subtraction, even multiplication. His idea spread east to China and west to the Islamic world. From India, the concept of zero journeyed through trade routes adopted by Persian and Arab mathematicians. One name you'll hear often, Al-Khwarizmi, whose work laid the foundations for algebra and introduced Hindu-Arabic numerals to the Western world. Europe resisted zero at first, calling it devilish and suspicious. But by the Renaissance, merchants and scientists realized its power. Zero unlocked the ability to calculate interest, keep books, and eventually, run code. Today, zero is everywhere. It's the hero behind binary code, the language of computers. It powers everything from smartphones to satellites, spreadsheets to social media. Zero also gave birth to calculus, making physics and engineering possible. Without it, we couldn't model planetary motion, build bridges, or send rovers to Mars. But zero isn't just a number, it's a concept. The idea of nothingness. In philosophy, it raises deep questions. Is nothing something? Can you truly grasp the absence of everything? In many cultures, zero was feared, because to accept nothing is to confront the void. But by embracing zero, humanity took a leap, not into emptiness, but into infinite possibility. So the next time you check your phone, launch an app, or marvel at space exploration, remember it all began with nothing. One symbol, one radical idea. Zero changed how we count, calculate, and comprehend the universe. What other simple ideas reshaped the world? Could the next world-changing idea already be forming in someone's mind, maybe even yours? Tell us what concept you think changed history in the comments. And if you enjoyed this episode, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mind-expanding stories. Because sometimes, nothing is just the beginning.